Jai Vigyan, my dear students. So today we are going to learn exercise A and exercise B of practice sheet. So now your exam is coming and we have remaining 3 weeks for exam. So in these 3 weeks we are practice it, and one chapter is remaining of SS part, our history. So with this video I'm also sending you the chapter video. So let's start our study. So first, your first question is take the correct option. So the first is the oldest industry in India is. Which is the oldest industry in India? So cotton industry A, B iron industry, and C cement industry. So answer is cotton industry. Cotton industry established in the year of 1854. So, कॉटन इंडस्ट्री की इंडिया में शुरुआत हुई थी 1854 में. So cotton industry is the oldest industry in India. Second, an industry set up by people in their homes is called. So which type of industries can set up in a home? So large industry, B small industry, and C uh, cottage industry. So answer is cottage industry. Uh, this is the industry that we can run from our house, and the one person and the other family members can help the person to run the industry. So this is a cottage industry, not college. Here one typing mistake is there. So COTTAGE, cottage industry. Okay. So answer is cottage industries. The family members work together and cottage industries to produce goods. Third, India is broadly divided into dash period. So 3, B2 and C4. So this is the question belongs to chapter 5, our history. So India is divided into 3 periods. 3. The answer is 3. Which are these 3 periods? The ancient times. Ancient times means the प्राचीन time, जो अर्ली ह्यूमंस का टाइम था वो. The medieval time, मध्यकालीन time, and right now we are living in the modern time. So the India broadly divided into 3 periods. First, the ancient times. Second, the medieval time, and the third is the modern time. So 3 periods. Fourth, the earliest known trace of human life in India are found at. So A. Indus Valley, B. Harappa, and C. Bhimbekta. So Bhimbekta is the place where जब ह्यूमन लाइफ इन इंडिया में एग्जिट्स है ये पता चला, वो भीमबेटका नाम के प्लेस पर से पता चला कि ह्यूमन लाइफ भी इंडिया में एग्जिट्स है. सो इट इज़ द भीमबेटका. It is an ancient period and it is now a World Heritage Site. This Bhimbekta place is now a World Heritage Site. So ancient period में भीमबेटका नाम के प्लेस पर से ये पता चला कि there is a trace of human life found in India. Fifth, which of the following is a national festival? So we are celebrating 3 types of national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day, and the Gandhi Jayanti. So Baisakhi is a seasonal festival, Pongal is a religious festival, and the Republic Day is the national festival. C. The language written from left to right are. So there are 22 languages which are the government authorized in our constitution. So ये सारी language we can write to left to right. So first is But there are some languages that Urdu, Kashmiri, and Sindhi are not, we can write left to right. So Urdu, Kashmiri, and Sindhi right to left लिखी जाती है, right side to left side. So first option, second, sorry, B, Urdu, Kashmiri, and Sindhi. So Kashmiri is there, तो उर्दू और काश्मीरी कौन से साइड से लिखी जाती है, लेफ्ट टू राइट, एंड सिंधी. And second, C is Sanskrit, Marathi, and Kashmiri. So Sanskrit we can write left to right, Marathi also left to right, but Kashmiri right to left. So right answer is Punjabi, Tamil, and Hindi. These three languages are written from left to right. Seventh, the number of languages recognized by the Indian Constitution. So, there are 22 languages which are recognized by the Indian Constitution. So, 22 languages which are recognized by the Indian Constitution. 8. In the currency note, the number of languages displayed in the panel of reverse of currency note are, हमारी इंडियन करेंसी की नोट है इधर, 5 रुपीज़ नोट और 2000 रुपीज़ नोट, उसके बैक साइड एक लैंग्वेज पैनल है, उसमें 17 लैंग्वेजेस है. जो 5 रुपीज़, फॉर एग्जांपल दैर इज़ अ 5 रुपीज़ नोट, तो 5 रुपीज़ 17 लैंग्वेजेस में लिखा गया है टू रिस्पेक्ट दिस लैंग्वेजेस, टू रिस्पेक्ट दिस religion. So there are 17 languages which are displayed in the panel of the reverse of currency note. Ninth, there are dash members in Rajya Sabha. How many members are there in Rajya Sabha? 250 members, and the Lok Sabha 545 members. So Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha are the two houses of our parliament. हमारे संसद के टू हाउसेस है, राज्यसभा एंड लोकसभा. सो राज्यसभा देर आर 250 members are there in Rajya Sabha, and Lok Sabha's members are 545. The law making body of the government. 10th. So first executive, B legislator, and C judiciary. So first, B is legislator. Legislator is the law making body of the government. 11th, right to education is given to children age. Which is the age is mentioned in our constitution? Right to education. 5 years to 15 years, B 8 years to 18 years, and C 6 years to 14 years. So 6 years to 14 years is the age which is given in our constitutional book under the right to education. 12th, the Indian Constitution came into force on. सो अब हमारा इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पूरे इंडिया में कब फोर्स में आया था? इट्स 26 जनवरी 1950. सो 26 जनवरी 1950 को द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन केम इनटू फोर्स. 13. The conversion of water vapor into water. So what is the definition of condensation? Condensation is the reverse process of evaporation. Evaporation में क्या होता है कि water change into the water vapor by heating, and the reverse process of evaporation is condensation, and the condensation definition is the water vapor change into water by cooling. So answer is condensation. 14. Which of the following does not increase the evaporation process? Higher the temperature, B more humidity, and the strong wind. So there are some factors that increase the evaporation. So answer is more humidity. So more humidity that does not increase the evaporation. 15. The objects that do not give us light are called non-luminous object. First is luminous object. So what is the definition of luminous object? That object that give us light. जो ऑब्जेक्ट हमें लाइट देता है ये सारी चीज़ों को बोलते हैं luminous object. B. Opaque. So what is the definition of opaque? That when light hits the surface cannot pass through it. जब लाइट कोई भी सॉलिड सरफेस को हिट्स करती है और उसके आगे हमें कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता है, लाइट पास आउट नहीं करती है वो सरफेस, उसको बोलते हैं opaque surface. And the non-luminous object, that the object that do not give us light are called non-luminous object. So answer is non-luminous object. 16. The main source of light on earth. Which is the main source of light on earth? The sun. Sun is a natural source of light on earth and this is the main source of light. 17. Dash energy is used to produce electrical energy or to pump out underground water with mechanical pump, not hum, it's pump. So A. Water energy, B. Solar energy, and the C. Wind energy. So answer is wind energy is used to produce electrical energy or to pump out underground water with the mechanical pump. And the 18. Solar panels use this energy to produce electricity. This is the solar energy. Solar energy is used to produce electrical energy. 19. The executive is elected for a period of days. So at the age of 18 or above the 80, man and woman has right to elect the executive. So this is the and they got elected for a period of 5 years. So 5 years is the answer. The executive is elected for a period of 5 years. Next, 20. The number of states in India. So there are 29 states in India. 21st. Shahjahan built the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is the a very popular place that people of India or outside the India visit the Taj Mahal. So A. Lahore, B. Agra, and C. Delhi. So this is a very simple answer that Taj Mahal is built in the Agra. Now exercise B, fill in the blanks. So air compromises 78% gas case. So air consists of two types of gas, 78% nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. And remaining part made up with the many other gases and the small amount of water vapor. सो एयर में 78% क्या होता है, नाइट्रोजन गैस होता है एंड 21% ऑक्सीजन गैस होता है एंड रिमेनिंग पार्ट जो होता है उसमें अलग अलग टाइप के गैसेस होते हैं एंड स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर वेपर भी होता है. सेकेंड, वाटर एग्जिट्स इन natural as snow, liquid, water and water vapor. So we have learned there are three types of matter states: solid, liquid and gas. So water exists in all three types of state: snow as solid, liquid as water as liquid and the water vapor as gas. Third, irregular sound waves are called noise. irregular कि जो हमें हमारे माइंड को डिस्टर्ब करती है और बहुत सारी वॉइस होती है उसको बोलते हैं नॉइज़, जो बिल्कुल भी स्मूदिंग नहीं होती है. फोर्थ, लाइट ट्रैवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. लाइट ट्रैवल्स किस में करती है, स्ट्रेट लाइन में. वी हैव एक्सपेरिमेंट द we have seen the one experiment, right? That कार्डबोर्ड का एक्सपेरिमेंट हमने देखा था कि कार्डबोर्ड के अंदर होल लगा के कैंडल से लाइट को ट्रैवल करा था. सो लाइट ट्रैवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. Fifth, the force by which the earth pulls object towards itself is called. So which is the force by which the earth pulls the objects? कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को आप ऊपर जाता है तो अर्थ के पास कौन सा ऐसा फोर्स है उसके थ्रू कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नीचे ही पड़ता है. इट इज अ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. So, the force by which the earth pulls the object towards itself is called gravitational force. 6. Dash is applied to push or pull something. So, अगर हमें कोई चीज़ को धक्का देना है और या फिर खींचना है, so we need force. Force is applied to push or pull something. Sixth, the Constitution is the highest authority or ultimate law. So our Indian Constitution is the highest authority. So which the rights and duties which are mentioned in our Constitution, we must follow these rights and duties. So that's why this is the highest authority and ultimate law. Seventh, all the people are equal in the eyes of law or in democracy. So, what is democracy? It is for the people, by the people, and of the people. That is called democracy. Or democracy में सारे India is a democratic country. That's why all the people have same rights. So, the all the people are equal in the eyes of a law of democracy. This is known as the right to equality. So this right is mentioned in our constitution, right to equality. उसमें क्या होता है that all the people are equal in the eyes of law. law की eyes में, कानून की नज़र में हर एक लोग सेम है, ना कोई पुअर ना कोई रिच. 8. The Indian Constitution begins with the preamble. Preamble is a one type of introduction. So Indian Constitution begins with the preamble. 9th, a form of government that is of the people, by the people and for the people is called a democracy. So this is the definition of democracy. Democracy क्या है कि गवर्नमेंट की ऐसी रचना जो लोगों के लिए है, लोगों द्वारा बनाई गई है और लोगों से ही है. इंडिया के ही लोग गवर्नमेंट बनाते हैं, गवर्नमेंट का पार्ट है और वो लोगों के द्वारा ही बनाए गए. हम वोट करके गवर्नमेंट बनाते हैं और वो लोगों के लिए काम करती है. So this is the definition of democracy. A form of government that is of the people, by the people and for the people. 10th, all the ministers, including the Prime Minister, are called the Council of Ministers. So Council of Minister is a one type of group. उसमें जो elect होते हैं वो सारे ministers, including Prime Minister, उसमें होते हैं. This is the name of the Council of Ministers. 11th, the DAS provides equal rights to all citizens. So Indian Constitution provides equal right to all citizens. 12. The tolerant behavior can be encouraged among children through DAS. Tolerant behavior can be encouraged among children through education. Education through ही हम ये behavior encourage कर सकते हैं. 13. Every religion has a strong presence in India. So in India, we have different types of religion, and all the people follow the religion, different types of religion. So there are no any rule that you must be follow this and that religion. We have right to follow the religion which we believe. So 14. The Das Temple at Konark is a beautiful temple in India. The Sun Temple in Konark is a beautiful temple in India. Sun Temple at Konark. 15. Das music developed in South India. Carnatic music developed in South India. 16. The first city discovered in India was Harappa. So Bhimbetka is the place where the human where first time found that human exist in the this place, and Harappa is the first city which is discovered in India. Harappa was the first city which is discovered in India. So this is the ancient time, Harappa. 17. After the fall of Mughal Empire, the British began to rule over India. जब मुगल शासन खत्म हुआ तब तब ब्रिटिश जब इंडिया पर किसने राज करा? ब्रिटिश ने, अंग्रेजों ने राज करा. सो मुगल एम्पायर खत्म होने के बाद पूरा होने के बाद वो हार गए जब अंग्रेजों ने इंडिया पर राज करना स्टार्ट करा. आफ्टर द फॉल ऑफ मुगल एम्पायर. 18. India attained DAS in 1947. So British begins to rule over the India, and the year of 1947 India attained the freedom from the British rule. ब्रिटिश रूल से हमें कब फ्रीडम मिला? 1947. That's why we celebrate our national festival Independence Day, 15 August 1947. 19. These are the basic commodities needed in the process of manufacturing. So the raw material are the basic commodities needed in the process of manufacturing. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए we need raw materials. Raw materials means कच्चा सामान. Commodities means सामान. So we need raw materials in the process of manufacturing products. 20. India has become one of the most industrialized nation. India is a underdevelopment country. सो इंडिया का डेवलपमेंट बहुत ही तेज़ी से हो रहा है, एंड देर आर सो मेनी इंडस्ट्रीज ग्रोथ आर इन आवर इंडिया. सो इंडिया हैज़ बिकम वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंडस्ट्रियलाइज्ड नेशंस. 21. Transport is required to bring raw material to the factory. So transport is necessary for the factory, because how can we bring the raw materials to the factory? We need lots of amount of raw materials to manufacturing the product. So transport is needed to bring the raw material to the factory. So in this part we have completed exercise A and exercise B. So learn exercise A and B, read it. If you need to write, then write and learn. And if there are any doubt, then in live session we will discuss it and solve it. Okay. So in our next week we will complete the other part of the practice sheet. Okay, children. Learn well. Stay happy and healthy. Thank you.